Firstly, put a machine on, then install a laser head, drywall marking on aluminum card, engraving portrait on special wood, then unpack some package. Some stuff that we're working on: aluminum cork for laser engraving, with making some file on light burn. Now I'm making a trial test here, engraving on aluminum card. This is a weird picture from the internet. Now we're done with this stuff again. And after washing it, now we download it and move it into light burn. And the first clock of circle is almost there.
Run. 2 hours later.